Hi, I'm George. I'm from Easy Reefs and I'm here at Magna to show our new food paste, which is called Mastic. And it became really popular here in the US right now because our users launch a lot of videos online on YouTube and on Facebook where they feed their angelfish, copper bands and all these kind of finicky feeders. And the people were really questioning, what type of food is that? So I have the mastic here. This is the raw version, how it comes in the packaging, and this is how it looks once it's activated. So it's a powder, and the powder is made out of 4 ingredients. The main ingredients is a shrimp. It's a small glass shrimp, which is also called camarones. And we use them as the basic food because they contain all the nutrition that the fish needs. All the omega-3 acids are in there, the proteins are in there, omega-6, it is high in HUFA, and to enhance it, we are also using 2 different species of phytoplankton, and we are also adding macroalgae to it. And this forms a complete diet which is feeding almost every fish. The user also has the possibility to adjust the formulation according to his tank, because you have to consider aquariums is not like having one pet. You more or less have a zoo there. So you have to have the opportunity to adjust the food according to the fishes you are treating. So you have a powder here. That means you can add if you want, but I recommend this, to make your own mix. I would recommend this once you are getting more experience how to mix the mastic. So what you can do, for example, some people like to put garlic powder to it. Some people like to add spirulina to it. Or let's make it calanus, for example. Or you can even chop the nori algae that you have into smaller pieces and add it to it and then mix it. So that way you can really adjust it exactly to your needs. So once you have added water to it, and the ratio is always 1 to 2. So you are adding 1 part of water to 2 parts of the mastic. Then you see it's going to turn in a way green, which is caused by the phytoplankton inside. You have this paste, and you simply use the amount that you want to use, and add it, stick it on the glass or even on the live rock, and the fish will immediately start picking on it. And so apart from the high nutrition value that you are offering, you are now introducing a sort of natural feeding behavior in your aquarium. That means the tanks that we have in our tank, for example, they are used to swim, pick, swim. And this type of natural feeding behavior we are now bringing back into your aquarium. So it's not 1 time or 2 times a day where you throw all the stuff in your tank and the fish has to eat as much as possible, because the problem is the digest system of all the fishes are not made for this type of feeding. They are made for frequently feeding. So that means they are swimming and picking. And this is what we are introducing with the mastic. So you have here something in your hands where you can really do the best for all your fishes. And you can even feed the most finicky feeders with it. And just let me tell you something about the packaging sizes. So the packaging sizes starts with the 14-gram packaging, and then we have bigger packages. This one, for example, is a 70-gram, and we also have a 42 grams. And inside, you will always find this aluminium bag to protect it from heating and also from air and light. And inside there, you will always have these smaller bags. So you always mix it directly in this bag. And once you have this, you should treat it like a fresh food, because this is what it is. So you can keep this amount, for example, for 5 days in a refrigerator, or you put it in a freezer where it can last for about 5 weeks. Thanks for joining this short video here on Magna 2016. I hope you have a great show here. People are great. Come and check out the other videos. And if you want to know more about our products, go online, easyreefs.com, or even better, Facebook, Easy Reefs, and check out all the videos that the users are sending us, that the importers are sending us, where they feed all the finicky feeders.